Hello everyone, it's Lord Selrock. Down, bow, bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. Do we have room for this? Yes, we do. Yeah. So, anyways, Alpha's updated status. Just realized
I didn't watch the Undyne fight human. The Undyne fight human. That's great wording. Well, I know she's unbeatable. I'll ask about it later. For now, I gotta call the human and guide them.
I'm gonna wipe that face cam. It probably didn't help. Here we go. Here is the beginning of the end. Kind of. Oh, don't fight, don't fight. Okay. We're gonna hug. Warms your heart and your whole body.
So lovely!
Hey, buddy. Did you know that, this is a weird thing to talk about in Undertale thing, but the new Pokemon, there's a trailer for it, Sun and Moon. By the time you read this, there's probably an 8th generation now. Watch this.
Gonna call them in a minute! I'm totally gonna do it!
We're not gonna save yet.
I hate using the phone, I don't want to do this elevator.
Sunderplane. Not on purpose or anything. Okay, we're gonna approach. You get close. Not too close. Dang it, I missed it. Dang it, I missed! Okay. Nose dismissively at you. Well, that's not very nice, I think. I don't know. Ow. Oh, that doesn't heal me. Okay, never mind. Airport perfume counter. Well. Hold on. I'm gonna move the window if you don't mind. Why is the face cam terrible right now? Oh, I thought that. Oh, there is something this way. Dang it, wrong way. I got this. Got it. Yeah, here's the frying pan. Fry pan. Oh. Oh, that's right. Plus, I don't really need it anyways. So that was a waste of time. Great.
Oh my god, I've had my call over the last digit for 5 minutes. Oh my god, I'm just gonna call.
And I'm gonna cough. Ring, ring, click. Whoever was calling hung up before you answered it. Do you hate that feeling?
Hi, the blue lasers. I mean opposite. The blue lasers won't hurt you if you don't move. Orange ones, you have to be moving, and they will move through those ones. Bye! Oh my god, I did it. Claws haven't shook like that since Undyne called me to ask about the weather. Wait, there's no weather down here. Why did she call me?
I need to do more doodles than... Ah! Got it. Ah! Oh! Okay, good. That was scary.
Oh my god, I forgot to tell them where to go. Cute pick up me right now.
It's a photo of a garbage can with several big glitter. I'm sorry.
Alf is here. The northern door will stay locked until you solve the puzzle on the right and left. I think you should go to the right first.
I coughed again, I'm sorry.
Wonder if it would be unfun if I explained the puzzle.
Oh, check this out. This is easy. Done. Congratulations. You're a winner. Good job. With life. God, I'm sorry, everyone.
Alf is here. That blue laser seems totally impossible. Why? That's a real aside. I have tricks up my sleeve. I'll actually hunt the laser database and take it out.
Ow. Oh, God, I can't do voices. I'm sorry, guys. Ugh, I'm gonna die doing this video.
Trying to do Alpha's voice.
Yeah, that hurts. Ow. That's probably not fun to hear.
Whatever, I'll just explain it. I think about the puzzle left and right. They're a bit difficult to explain, but you saw them already. Awesome.
Oh, I don't think that this is a great idea. I think I know what's up ahead. So, you know what? We have time. Screw it. Boom! Yeah, I figured as much.
Hey, it's kind of dark in here, isn't it? Don't worry, I'll hack into the light system and brighten it up. Oh no.
Oh yes! Welcome, beauties, to the Underground's premiere cooking show! Cooking with a killer robot. I love this show. Preheat your ovens because we've got a very special recipe for you today. We're going to be making a cake. My lovely assistant here will gather the ingredients. Everyone give them a big hand. Go and get them. Got it. It's a bear. Oh, we need these. Never mind. Perfect! Great job, beautiful. We've got all the ingredients we need to bake the cake. Milk, sugar, eggs. Oh my, wait a magnificent moment! How could I forget? We're missing the most important ingredient! A bear? A human soul! Nope.
Ring.
Hello? I'm kind of in the middle of something here.
Wait a second. Could you make a substitution of the recipe?
A substitution? You mean use a different non-human ingredient? Why?
What if someone's vegan?
Vegan. That's a brilliant idea, Alphys. Actually, I happen to have an option right here. MTT brand, always convenient human soul flavor substitutes. The Can of Wish is just over on that counter. Well, darling, why don't you go get it? I don't wanna. That hurt my neck. By the way, our show runs on a strict schedule. If you can't get the next can in 1 minute, we'll just have to go back to the original plan. So, better start climbing, beautiful.
Oh no, there's not enough time to climb up. Fortunately, I might have a plan. Blah blah blah, futures, jetpack, watch this.
Shoots the robot.
There, you should have just enough fuel to reach the top. Now get up there.
Pizza, cookies, ice cream, flour, milk, sugar, eggs, cakes, pepperoni, noodles, spaghetti, flour, shooting at me. It's heat-seeking. It's not nice. I don't like it. Nuts, flying at me. They're evil. I hit one. That's sugar, or maybe it's flour. I'm not entirely sure. This is heat-seeking flour. Oh god, oh no, this is not good. Oh yeah, you cannot keep up with the pace of this song. It's too good for your taste. And if you don't taste ponies, then your pizza is rotten. Yeah! My, it seems you've bested me. But only because you had the help of the brilliant Dr. Alphys. Oh, I loathe to think of what happened to you without her. Well, toodles! Oh yes, about the substitution. Have you ever seen a cooking show before? I already baked the cake ahead of time, so forget it! Well.
Wow, we did it! We really did it! Great job out there, Keem. Let's keep heading forward.
Oh. Well, thanks for watching. Below is the Rocky. Like, comment, subscribe, and so encourage all three of those things, and goodbye.